Welcome na naman sa bagong chess video. Next naman, kalaban na si Ding Liren, which is French defense. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan ng kalaban, but let's go. What the fudge? D4, D6, the French defense. Basta atake niya to, wala siyang okay, so yan. D5 and C3 attacks the pawn and defends the pawn. Attacks another pawn. Pins the knight to its queen. Takes. B takes. Ay naku, ay Shimata. Balik. Yan. Ano pa kasi pinindot ko? Kain. Protects his knight. Develops his knight. Attacks the bishop. Check. Eats. Backs away to E3. Goes to D5. Development. Eats. Captures. Attacks the bishop. Bishop flees. Queen. White is trying to plan to castle queen side. Check. Blocks. Development and trying to castle. Attack. Castles. King side. Makes the long diagonal to the king. So the king moves to H1. Pawn moves. Moves his horse. Eats. Attacks his queen. Ding Liren eats the pawn. Along diagonal to the king. Trying to attack this. Protects it by castling king side. It wouldn't be. Yeah. He puts that there. Attacks the knight. Knight flees. Trying to attack this. Looking for some weak squares. Eats. Check. And opening a discover. Attack on the rook. Eats. Attacks on the queen. Moves. A battery to the king. That is officially a crazy move. Kain. Makakain. Di ba kinain? Kalimutan ko na basta. Attacks the queen. Queen moves. Open for that Shimai. Moves here to attack the bishop. Moves here to escape from the pin. Moves from here, retreats. Moves from here, attacks the queen. Eats. Naglayas siya. Papunta dyan. Another open attack on the king. Protects it with rook G1. try and escapes from the pretty dangerous diagonal of the battery. Attacks the rook. Attacks the queen, which is protected by the bishop. He makes a battery. Bishop attacks the bishop. Counter attacks by attacking the queen. Another freaking battery attacking that. I don't know why there. Check. Wala siyang pake, wala tayo. Pero ina-atake. Pero ginalaw natin. Yun. Another battery. Kapag kinain niya, mate! So, gaga niya, I checkmate muna. Checkmate naman. Check. Stops it. But another freaking battery which makes mate. Check to delay, but it's too late. She blocks. But that makes the pawn not protected, so it's officially checkmate. Thank you guys for watching the freaking video by Ding Lilian versus, I don't know, hindi ko ma-spelling pangalan. So basta, goodbye. That took 6 minutes actually.